Good morning. Do you want to know about various types of bust enlargement procedures? Do you want to know that the silicone implants come in various size and projections, and you can literally sitting at home decide what size and what projection you're looking for? Do you want to know what are the options that you have for bust enlargement and what you need to take care after such a procedure? Who are the best candidates for this? Who are not good candidates for this? And what are the myths and the facts behind such procedures? If you want to know these things and if you really want to change and transform your life, you must join me this Sunday on a special webinar on bust enlargement procedures. It is going to start at 12 o'clock and we're going to take up about 45 minutes of discussion time after the webinar, which will clear out all your queries. In the description form, I've given the link for the registrations. Just go on to that and that will allow you to register for this special webinar. So see you all this Sunday at 12 p.m.